Hi everyone, Andrew from Ability Superstore, and today we're going to be talking about the Walking or Zimmer Frame Glide Skis. If you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you press the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're notified of all our new videos. Now, why would we get a set of glide skis for a walking or Zimmer frame? Well, if you've got one like this, which has the two wheels at the front, which is perfect for pushing along smooth surfaces, you might notice that sometimes with the non-slip ferrules on the back, that you can get caught on carpet, and that's what these glide skis are perfect for. It's as simple as pulling off the old ones and pushing on the new ones. And then all we do is walk. It's as simple as that. Because the glide skis make short work of carpet, you can just push this around all day. This is perfect as well if you're using it with something like a Buckingham caddy, because you get that nice smooth action and then none of the items on your tray will spill or fall over. If you'd like to know more about these glide skis or anything else in our walking frame accessory range, visit us in store, visit us online, or give us a call and we're more than happy to help. See you next time.